Welcome, Info is an LG K51s, and today I'll show you how to put the device into recovery mode. So to get started, you want to hold power key and then select power off. And once the device shuts off, we'll then hold power key and volume down, and you want to hold power key basically till you see the logo of the device, at which point you will let go and then hold it again. So let's do it. Power key, volume down. You can see LG, let go and begin holding again. And there we go. We're now in the recovery mode, and there's only one option in here, so it's the factory data reset. And you can select either yes or no. You select them using volume keys. As you can see, volume up and down to navigate through this. And whatever you select, we'll then confirm it with the power key. So now we'll just exit, as you can see, and that's what I'm gonna select for now, and it will now go back to the Android system. And we're now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.